GTL Infrastructure Limited shareholders be alert before investing in a company, analyze its financial statements. Without analyzing the financial statements of the company, should not invest in that company. Subscribers, please subscribe the channel if you did not subscribe it now. If you have subscribed the channel, you will get the notifications of the videos which I upload in the YouTube. GTL Infrastructure current market price of the share NSE 1 rupee 85 paise, BSE 1 rupee 87 paise. GTL Infrastructure Limited current market price of the share at BSE 1 rupee 87 paise, at NSE 1 rupee 85 paise. March total income in percent 0.81%, 1448 crores. Earnings before income tax minus 32.16%, 14%, 238 crore rupees, that is in minus, loss. Profit after tax minus 31.81%, that is minus 1270 crores, it is in loss. Absolutely company is running in loss. Sales turnover, now we are seeing income. Sales turnover 1409 crores, excise duty nil, net sales 1409 crores, other income 39 crores, total income 1448 crores. Expenditure, manufacturing expenses 0, material consumed 0, personal expenses 61 crores, selling expenses 0, administrative expenses 1079 crores, 1079 crores. Sales turnover for 12 months 1409 crores, excise duty nil, net sales 1409 crores, other income 39 crores, total income 1448 crores for the year ended March 2021. Total expenditure 1140 crores, operating profit 269 crores, earnings before income tax 308 crores, depreciation 547 crores, other write-offs nil, earnings before income tax 238 crores, interest 663 crores, earnings before tax 901 crores, that is minus earnings before income tax minus 238, interest 663 crores, earnings before tax minus 901 crore, taxes nil. Profit and loss for the year minus 901 crore, non-recurring items minus 368 crores, other non-cash adjustments nil, other adjustments nil, reported profit after tax minus 1270 crores, reported profit after tax minus 1270 crores. Reported profit after tax minus 1270 crores. This company is running in absolute loss. There is no any profit, no any improvement. Subscribe, share, like.